Hey, welcome back to KG's Garage. Working on the HHR again. I'm putting another set of LED taillights in because these here are not working any longer. They're IPCW, I think they were called Ruby. I have a video of it. I can put a link in it in the description here. Ruby LEDs. So they're red. So you can see this one's working fine. All lit up. Here's the right side. I don't know if you can tell, but it's barely lit up. And the bottom one is not lit up at all. And so right now I just have the headlights turned on. Just did the flashers, or the hazards. So this side works. And this side works for hazards. The backup lights work. If I put it in reverse, the white comes on. So this bottom one that looks like doesn't work at all. I'm going to try putting the reverse on. So let's do the different. Let's see if I can put it in reverse. I turn it forward. Yeah. All right. So reverse. I don't see it lit up. This side's not lit up at all. I'm in reverse. Maybe it has to be. The lights are on. Is that turned forward enough? There we go. Let's turn the lights back on. There we go. I had to turn it forward. So, alright, you can see lights on, backup lights on, backup lights on. It should have top lights on and bottom surround on. They're not. This is barely on. So these are shot. I looked online to see if I can get another set of these Ruby taillights, and they're nowhere to be found. So what I did buy was this Impro car again, because that's the only brand that I can find that has anything for these HHRs. It's called, here we go. It's called Bermuda Black, really? It's probably supposed to be black. LED reverse light. So it's, I'll open it up and show you. But it's the only thing I like these lights better. Yeah, because they look more like the stock color lights. These are going to have a black inside of them. The plan of what I'm going to do is with these, I'm going to mess with them, see if I can fix them, see if I can figure out what's wrong with it, why it's not lighting up. I doubt all of the LEDs blew out. So there's got to be something else, right? See if I can figure out what's wrong with it, and if not, maybe what I might do is send them away to a company. There's a company called, I think, Radiance LEDs. They might be able to take these apart, redo the LEDs, and give them back to me. So anyway, these taillights were pretty expensive for taillights for this thing. I remember when I bought the other ones, I was like, wow, this is expensive, but prices have not gone down. I think they've actually gone up. So this is what they look like. They mount the same way. It's fairly simple to put in. There we go. I'm gonna take this plastic off here. All right, hold on. Okay, I don't think IPCW is in business anymore. In Pro Carware. I think this is just all leftover old stock, so you'll be lucky to get any of these. So I found these online. I think it was, I don't remember where, but this is what it's going to look like. It's going to look black on there. I'm not really that crazy about it. See how it's going to look totally like it's an aftermarket light, as opposed to, I think these look like they're more. I mean, it looks almost like the original light, except LED. I like that better. So now it's going to be black. But I don't really have much of a choice. I can put the stock lights back in, or I couldn't get these. So I'm gonna put these in. Hopefully they work. Hopefully they last. We'll see how long. I mean, I've had these ruby ones in here for, I don't know, you can go back in the video and look. It's maybe 2 years, maybe. So that's why I want to get the these other ones fixed. For if these do blow out, something goes wrong with these, I can have these other ones as backups, or when I do get them back, I can put them back in because I like these a lot better. Anyway, let me go ahead and pick the old ones out and put these new ones in. All you do is you take this cover off. There's 10mm bolts that hold the lights on. And they pop out, and you just wire them up. It's very simple. I did another video on this before. I can show you again, real quick, what I do. So, alrighty, let me get to working on this thing. Okay, so I got the taillights out. I'm gonna get some stuff and clean that up right there. And it has these buckets in there, remember? And the bucket goes inside on the inside, and it just holds it. So anyway, I did notice on this one, this is the top one. Right, this is the top light. Right here, I don't know if you can tell, the plastic is melted. So it's like shiny. And then here's a new one. And it's not like that. So I wonder if that's a problem. Something getting too hot and something burnt out inside there. It looks like you can take these lights apart. There's just a silicone, and I think there's just screws here. And then that probably just comes right apart. So I'll probably do that. And if I look inside, if you look inside here, it's also smooth, like something melted. I don't know what's up there. I don't know if it's a control board or something. I don't know what's up in there, but it's definitely melted. And this is the bottom one. And this one doesn't look that bad. I don't see any physical damage on it. But once again, you know, it's got the screws, right? So it is able to be taken apart. It looks like it might. Yeah, it looks like it's silicone sealed closed. But I'm gonna put clean this up, put these in, and then I'll go to the other side. Oh, I still have the lights on. Oops. So there's this connector here, and there's a little wire paper on there, and it says black to black. So all you have on the end of your light is this little thing here, and black to black, right? So that's this little piece here. This comes with the car, and then you plug it into here, and you want black. So this one's black, and then this one's green. So you connect this in there. That gives that thing power. So this is in there. The other thing I noticed that I didn't notice last time when I did this is there's notches in the body here, and there's notches on the lights. So they helps you put them in here. So this will go get those notches, and it would go like that. And then this cup, the cup goes on. It would go like this on the inside, and there's arrows. It tells you which one it is. The right side. This is the top, and there's an arrow for up. So this will go in just like, yep, just like that. And the bolts stick through here, and you tighten them. Done. And then you connect the wires. So I'm gonna put this one in now. Hardest part is getting this thing through this hole here. But let me. Oh, the other thing, you need to take this, stick it in here, stick it in here. Oh, and don't drop it all the way inside. You need to stick it in here, stick these wires through it, and then put this in. It seems like it's easier. Okay. Anyway, I'm almost done with this one side. Once I get this side, I'm going to plug it in. I'm going to turn the lights on and see if it works. The other thing you'll notice on these lights, it'll tell you what side it goes onto. So this is right. And this is the right side of the car. I mean, it would have been better if they put driver and passenger, but right side. See? These are the ones that came out right side. Alright, and now, so here you see this connector here. You take the, there you go. Take that connector off like that. And this other wire goes on there. You've got this one right here. Goes in here, like it's the light bulb, and then this goes into here. So let's connect. So I'm going to take, nope, this wire, now black to black. You know what? Let's put it on here first. This is the factory wires. So now black is all the way over to this side here. And where is it? Here we go. This guy. And black is all the way there, like this. Push that in there, good connection. Let's connect this one. Good connection. Now you have these two little thin wires, and they get connected together. That connects the two lights. So there it is installed. Let's see if they work. I'll just turn the headlights on. There we go, look. They work. Let's turn this. There you go. They work fine. So it's not my wiring in the car. It's those taillights, which is what I expected. Yeah. Maybe I'll leave both of them in. The two different colors. Which ones look better? At night you probably won't be able to tell the difference. Those look like they glow more. Just because this has a black background. Let me turn them off. Let's see which one looks better. Oh yeah, I like the red better. I still like the red better. Well, I think I'm gonna leave it like that for a little bit. Take some pictures of it at night. See which one I like better. I think it's still gonna be the red. But I think I'm gonna leave it like that for now. And change them out later on. It won't take that long. Okay, well, I've been driving around for a little while with these two different color taillights on here, and you know, I'm not crazy about these, but those are the only ones that work. I like these reds so much better, but it kind of looks silly with the two different color lights. So I'm gonna switch these out and put the dark ones on there. And then I'm going to see if I can have the red ones fixed. I'm just trying to see. Yeah, we got clearance. Yeah, I think I'm going to, you know, and I'll get the see if I get these red taillights fixed and get them working again. And when I get them back, I can put them on. But just for now, I'll put these smoked ones on there. so they look the same. I think I'm going to video it the same as the other side. So I'll come back and show you the results, and that'll be it, because it's the same as the other side. Just plug in some wires and you're done. All right, well, there you have it. Matching taillights. Thanks for watching. It was a little quick video on doing the taillights, right? So anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you like it, all this stuff, you know, hit the subscribe button. And next up is going to be some stuff on this cobalt here, like fuel lines and other stuff going on. Anyway, thanks a lot, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.